You should have told me. I would have said less.
Oh, go ahead, say it. Mom, do you want Isaiah to submit? Who are you recording for? Whose is that? Robbie's. Oh, good. Good, Robbie's not in. Dude, my shoulder. This is for Rob.
Not Rob's, Alexis. And Justin's.
Come on, Victor.
You better watch it with that knee. This is just dodgeball.
Huh?
What? You better watch it with his leg or whatever.
Oh, Victor?
Yeah, this is just dodgeball. You're not going to go anywhere from it. He's going to end up getting hurt.
His knee or his ankle? I thought he rolled his ankle.
Yeah, last year he was hurt too. For a couple games for the same thing. I'm saying you're crazy, dude. Oh! Idiots. Being out of work and not making money.
If he gets hurt, he's still,
If he gets hurt, how much work is he going to get? Sadly.
Come on, guys!
Yeah, Victor's crazy. That's just crazy, girl. She should catch it and get tiny in. The catch is more valuable.
That's all right.